Okay, so for the second week of third quarter, a few things going on. Uh, I want to go through it one step at a time. On Tuesday for B Day, and some of this we worked on A Day for Friday. So if you've already completed this, don't worry about it. We're going to finish our IXL X2 and 3. If you have already done that, we're going to spend some time working on our discussion post. And I've gone through that in class, and the requirements are posted along with a new rubric. If you have questions on that, please reach out to me. The big thing we're going to do Tuesday and Wednesday, if our internet works and cooperates, we're going to go to Schmoop for Schools, and you're going to come down when it loads. Schmoop is a little slow today for some reason. To ACT under Test Prep. You're going to come over to Diagnostics, and you are going to take a reading ACT section. So now when you go through and take the reading test, it's going to have a timer. Okay. You need to make sure you complete it in the time that it gives you. When you're done, you're going to take a screenshot of this page and then turn it in on Canvas under the assignment ACT Reading Placement Exam. The other thing we're going to look at on Tuesday, it's a B Day, we are going to try and finish chapters 15 and 16. I don't think we'll have enough time to get through chapter 16, but I want to get through at least part of it. Now on Wednesday we have read part of chapter 16 for A Day, but we only have class the one day, so I'm hoping we can finish 16 and get really close to finishing up the book for it. Okay. So once the book is finished, your study guide will need to be turned in. The next thing we are going to do on Thursday and Friday, so we're going to double up on B Day. So Thursday, we are going to start looking at semicolons, and we'll go through that. I've included a link to a video. If you can't attend class, you need to watch that video and it'll go through semicolons. And we're going to start working on II1 on IXL. Okay. And then we're going to finish up on Thursday 16 and at least start chapter 17, because on Friday what I have planned for B Day is to finish the book, turn in the study guide if it hasn't been finished already, and then focus the remainder time getting ready for the novel test. We'll play the review game for that in class, but you should be fine on it if you have been reviewing your study guides regularly. The novel test will take place the week after. If you are absent when we take the novel test, you will have to wait until we can do it on paper, or if you want to reach out to me, we can figure out a alternative way of testing. If you have any other questions about this week, feel free to reach out to me. It's the start of a new quarter, so make sure every assignment's turned in. Doesn't take much to hurt your grade right now. So with that, good luck, and let me know if you have any other questions.